Anambra does not speak Igbo, Central Igbo. All the dialects in Anambra, no one is Central Igbo. Anambra na so ifrozi. Aru, ifro. Messiagi ife. If you want to talk about those who speak Central Igbo, is Imo State. And not all Imo States, oh. Amen and amen. When you talk about those who speak Central Igbo, is Imo, not mainly Olu side. Not even where it doesn't speak Central. Mbi State does not speak. When you talk about Olu, our side speaks Central Igbo. But who can doubt it? Bring any town in Anambra now. Igbo Izugbe, what are they calling leg? Is it upper? Kauku. Anambra, most of them call upper. That is it.
Evangelist Ebuka Obi said that Anambra does not speak Central Igbo. He said that the people that speak Central Igbo is Olo in Imo State. I know say this video go vex some Anambra people, but let's remove emotion and say fact here. I have seen so many Anambra people, they will tell you people in Anyama, Onada as Igbo. Igbo are on Igbo. Igbo. I have seen them with my own eyes. I know the talk, make it talk. Many of you now don't see this thing while they talk. So with our own eyes, we see some of our Igbo brothers from Anambra State making such comments in the comment section. There are things we Okwani people say. Somebody from Anambra go talk say, "Yeah, on Igbo." In Okwani land, what we call junior is alugbe. What we call elder is okay. Somebody from Anambra will not understand, say, this is an Igbo dialect, go tell you, say, "Yeah, on Igbo." So, Ebuka Obi is trying to make things clear to Anambra people that Anambra does not speak Central Igbo. But some parts of Anambra dialects are used to create that Central Igbo. Listen, Igbo Izugbe is not a single dialect, but a deliberately unified version of the language. Its foundation is built on a blend of central and widespread dialects, most notably Owerri and Umuahia. Later, elements from Onitsha, Olo, Inisu were also integrated. Olo stroke Isuama provided a strong base for early missionary documentation and vocabulary. These are dialects that formed Igbo Izugbe, which is Central Igbo. Ohoho in Umuahia influenced foundational vocabulary and phonology. Ohoho is an Igbo community in Umuahia, Abia State. Olo and Isuama are Igbo communities in Imo State. Here, Onitsha contributed significant literary influence, primarily from early mission schools and printing presses. Here, Owerri, valued for its central location and linguistic balance. Here, Oka added broader, widely understood regional terms. Beyond this major basis, Igbo Izugbe incorporates loan words and terms from all over Igboland, such as Puku from Asaba and Nare from Nsukka, to ensure mutual intelligibility for all native speakers, regardless of their specific local dialects. The states where dialects of Igbo language were collected from to create Igbo Izugbe are Imo State, Abia State, Anambra State, Anyoma, Enugu State. If the name of your state is not mentioned there, are you not speaking Igbo language? Of course you are speaking Igbo language. Come in Olo dialect is Bia, Oka dialect is Bia, Anioma dialect is Bia, Ebonyi dialect is Bia, Ikure dialect is Bia. We are all Igbo people. We are all one people. Igbo Izugbe was created from every Igbo dialect. Ebuka Obi is not saying that those that speak Central Igbo are more Igbo than those that don't speak Central Igbo. Ebuka Obi gave an example saying that what so many Anambra dialects call leg is Okpa. In Anioma land here, what we call leg is Oko. So, in Igbo Izugbe, leg is called Oko. Oko alone have represented the whole of Anioma, because every Igbo region for Anioma, wetin they call leg na Oko. And that is to tell you that Igbo Izugbe comprises of Anioma dialects. They not mention the name of your community, not mean say your community dialects did not make up Igbo Izugbe. Nare in Nsukka dialect means 100. And by that, they have carried every Nsukka region along. Puku means 1,000 in Asaba dialect. Those words that were taken from Awka and Onitsha, they can also be found in other dialects in Anambra State. And for that, every Igbo region in Anambra State have been carried along. Same with Ebonyi State, Enugu, River State, and so on. If you listen to Igbo Izugbe very well, you go see word from your own Igbo dialect and region for that Igbo Izugbe. Igbo Izugbe does not mean that the dialect of we Okwane people is not original. It does not mean that our dialect in Okwane land is not Igbo. Igbo Izugbe was created for every Igbo region to understand each other. That is why it's being taught in schools. In Okwane land, our elders there, they listen to radio stations that speak Igbo language. They have not been to Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Ebonyi, Abia before, but they understand that Igbo Izugbe. Those regions where we say they mention their name for the formation of Igbo Izugbe, they should not feel superior to other people that their names are not being mentioned. The reason why Ebuka Obi said that thing is because so many Anambra people felt that their language in Anambra is Central Igbo. And some of them go as far as telling other Igbo regions that they are not speaking real Igbo, that they Anambra people are the ones that are speaking real Igbo. That is what we are saying here. No Igbo is more Igbo than another Igbo. Although dialect is not better and superior to Izi dialect in Ebonyi State, it's not better and superior to Abakaliki dialect, it's not better and superior to Ikure dialect, it's not better and superior to Okwane dialect. Every Igbo dialect is equal. Every Igbo dialect is original. No Igbo dialect is better than another. If you are from Onitsha, don't tell someone from Aguleri that Onitsha dialect is better than Aguleri dialect. The right thing to say is, me that is from Onitsha, I love my dialect. I cannot choose the dialect of another Igbo region more than my own. No reasonable person go love the dialect of another community past him own. When I speak Igbo language in this my platform, you will know that this Igbo language that this young man is speaking is not Anambra dialect, it's not Ebonyi dialect, it's not Imo dialect, it's not Enugu dialect, it's not Abia dialect, but a dialect in Anioma land. The dialect that I'm speaking is Ibuzo dialect. Even as I dey speak Igbo dialects very well, I cannot choose Igbo dialects over the dialect of my community Ogume in Okwane land. And that is because I love my dialect so much. I cannot tell you that Okwane dialect is better than Igbo dialect. I cannot tell you that Igbo dialect is better than Ogwashiuku dialect. I cannot tell you that Igbo dialect is better than Ika dialects. You don't expect an Ika person to love the dialect of another region more than his own. I can tell you, I love your dialect, but I love my own dialect the more because that is where I came from. But telling another Igbo person that their dialect is not good, just like some people from Anambra told me one time that oh no Igbo. That thing they divide Igbo nation. If you tell any Igbo person from any Igbo region say they not be original Igbo, they not be real Igbo, say their dialect not be Igbo, you are fighting Igbo unification. You are fighting the unity of Ndi Igbo. That is the reason why I'm explaining this Igbo Izugbe of 18. If they don't mention the name of your community for the formation of Igbo Izugbe, it no mean say your dialects not there for that Igbo Izugbe. All of us are Igbo people. The language of Olo people is my language because I'm Igbo. The language of Onitsha people is my language because I'm Igbo. The language of Oka people is my language because I'm Igbo. We are all Igbo people. We are related by blood. We are related by forefathers. We are one people. Funde Kaibo. So, those set of Igbo people that are saying that we are the ones that are speaking Igbo Izugbe, we are more original than others. Make una stop that rubbish. No Igbo region should say that their dialect is better than another Igbo region. What if Okwane dialect was used as Central Igbo? Are we not going to be saying that the dialect of Anambra people are not original Igbo because they don't speak Okwane, which is Central dialect? No. What if Abakaliki dialect was used for Central Igbo? Are Abakaliki people not going to say that Anambra dialect is not the original Igbo dialect because they don't speak Abakaliki? This thing where I talk now person will put here down go understand what I talk. I just spoke Okwane, and this is why I speak. It does not sound like Igbo Izugbe, but it's Igbo language. That thing that I just spoke now is Okwane dialect. Are you not going to say that Igbo Izugbe is superior to Okwane dialect? No. If you talk like that, that means you are fighting the unity of Igbo nation. If you talk like that, then you are saying that Okwane people are not Igbo people. Some people will tell you that Okwane people are Igbo people. But if you say that Okwane dialect is not real Igbo, then you are saying that Okwane people are not Igbo people. If you say that Ebonyi dialect is not Central Igbo, it does not sound like Igbo, then you are saying that they are not Igbo people. Some people go to talk that in out of ignorance. They're not a read meaning to what that they talk. You understand people by reading meaning to what they say. But some people go just talk am. They're not read meaning. But when we read meaning to what they said, that's where they talk, they cause disunity. No Igbo region should feel superior over another Igbo region. Every Igbo community is expected to love their dialects, appreciate their dialects, and also appreciate the dialect of every Igbo region. Don't make anyone to feel superior against the other. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is not fighting Anambra dialects. Some Anambra people fit vex because of the way they talk am, but the man not mean any harm. Igbo Izugbe is made up of picking words from every Igbo region to form that Igbo Izugbe. No region for this Igboland they speak Igbo Izugbe 100%. There are words in Olo that are not found in Igbo Izugbe. There are words in Anambra that are not found in Igbo Izugbe. There are words in Okwane land, in Anyoma land that are not found in Igbo Izugbe. But that Igbo Izugbe is made up of words from every region of Igbo land. Igbo Bofu, Ishiagwale.